Welcome to day 30. I am going to be doing another mandala, but I'm going to do a mix between a mandala and a Zentangle. So I'm going to have two mandalas on the side, and then it's going to go into a Zentangle in the center. Because those are just, so far, I really do enjoy doing these. And my other second favorite is Zentangles as well, so I figure I'd see if I can make them kind of combine. And first off, any of my friends out there who are on the or on the west coast, up from Alaska all the way down to Hawaii, be careful with the tsunami warnings going on and stuff. By the time this thing comes out, it will already be where it needs to be. So hopefully everything is going well with you guys out there on the coast, and any people out there in Russia and everywhere else that this thing might hit. Hopefully everybody's okay. It's holy cow. And just keep an eye out for any local earthquakes or anything else that might be a cause of it. And so just be careful out there, alright, everyone? And we're just going to get started. I'm going to do this simple. Like I said, I like the colors and I wanted the page to be all the same type of thing. And tomorrow, which is the last day, is the 31st. I'm going to do a self-portrait with my mirror. And then I'm going to do a separate day, this nice big section here where I'm going to do a self-portrait, and then with some other aspects of some of the other things that I've done on these. I don't know how much I'll be able to fit on there, but maybe I'll do a kind of a mandala circle around the whole thing, and then do my face in the center, and then spread out with some of the mandala, and then do some other, maybe some sketches or something within it. But we'll see. Let's get started. It's late at night, my brain's not working, and I'm just gonna watch a little bit some more mandala type of things and try to get some of these stuff looking good, and then tomorrow I will fill in once it dries off, then I'll do some more Zentangle on it. But that's the plan today. I'm not gonna do a little face like the intro. If I do, it'll probably be tomorrow because it's late at night and I'm on my PJs and I don't want to get dressed. So let's get started. It's almost to the end of my 30-day challenge. Not every day has gone as planned, but I have actually gotten 30 different art challenges in there. And so they got done. Some of them didn't get all done on the same day or uploaded and edited on the same day, but that's okay. I got a lot of different type of styles of artwork that I've never tried before, and that's the point of this month, was to try some new things, be it just a different type of, like, being bugs, be it animals, that type of stuff, working on fur, some more detailed. Had one larger one with the puppy and Santa Claus where I just kind of went all out, but most of them were 30 minutes long, give or take like 5 minutes. So I'm actually pretty happy with how well I did that. Was able to go from my ones that go over detail to just enjoying what I'm making. So let's get started. I'm going to put this with quick and easy because today was my last day for cleaning the buses, and I have 2 weeks till school starts again, and I will be coming bus driving again. So I want to go and do some Ubering and try to bump up my bank account, because I know these next couple months is going to be kind of low, because these last couple of months I had a lot of holidays and some extra days off, and so my cash flow is going to be really tight. So I am going to try to bump everything up so to kind of hold me off until I start getting some field trips and some extra money in and that type of stuff, which will probably be September. So let's get started. Let's have some fun, and then, well, I'll edit this tomorrow and we'll see what it kind of looks like. The thing I really wanted to do with doing a whole one, this will probably take more than 30 minutes. I'm not going to worry about it today. I'm just going to enjoy myself. Because I've been doing them, but there's always so much more space that I want to kind of do. But since I gave myself 30 minutes, I haven't really been able to go further than what it is, because I'm trying to keep it within that 30 minutes. But I realized, I can do this challenge and still enjoy myself and go over that 30-minute every once in a while, as long as I kind of stay to the heart or the inspiration or what are the words are not my friend today, the idea of the rules. I don't know. Anyways, I'm mumbling enough. Let's get started, and then we'll see what it looks like at the end of it. I'll just put some nice music on. I've been going through my YouTube thingy and found some really cool Indian music that that's another thing. I found some new music. It's really cool. Stuff I usually don't listen to that much is unless I'm actually in an Indian restaurant, is some of the different kinds of indie music from all over. Okay, I got my mandalas on the side. Now I'm going to do a little Zentangle and have them kind of merge. I really like this design. I might do something similar to this. I actually have a black coffee cup that's a Starbucks cup, and it's just plain old black, and it has like Starbucks on the bottom. I might actually do it like I like this kind of design. I might actually do this design on that coffee cup and then try to see if what I need to do to seal it. Because that looks really, really cool. I almost don't want to do anything on it, but this would be kind of cool for a coffee cup or any type of design. Or I might even just use my laptop and put like a design like this on it. It'd be really cool too. But I'm just going to do a little Zentangle. This also gives me an idea for a money challenge, doing like a half mandala like this on one side and then having like these little things coming out. I might just kind of do a little design on them. And then have some sort of designs coming off of these, making it thick on one end maybe. And then having these open as the designs or the money challenges, and then each one of these have them kind of outlined, and then when they're and having some other little designs as well coming out. And that way they're I can also have them coming out like this and having them cross over, and that way people can do little design works in these and having these as the money challenges, something like that. Okay, let me fast forward it. I'm gonna watch some Valheim. I don't know why I keep trying to touch my thingy. And then I'll do some designs in between. I'm gonna make it more loose instead of like a full tight Zentangle type of thing. It's gonna just be more Zen doodle. Anyways, let's get started. We'll fast forward and see what it looks like. Okay, I think I'm done. I don't want to do too much more because it's going to be just kind of a mess. But I kind of made it look like these two plants have like vines or seeds or something that are kind of going out of them. And I kind of did this because, well, one of the main things for doing these challenges is to give me ideas for money challenges. And I thought this would be really cool to be able to do, and then having it come out in these being the money challenges right here. So you'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's at least $20 right here if you just do it $1 a piece. And that way you can either do a design inside it, or you can just do another color, maybe like a silver color inside it or something like that. That would kind of be cool. But I kind of outlined them because everything else was kind of blending in. That way people could find it easier. They can always add those too as well. We have a couple tinier ones in here that just kind of get formed. But that's kind of cool. I really like this design. So I'm thinking I might, once I do some more practice with some more mandala, because I'd like to practice the swoopity-swoopities, or the swoops and stuff. It's kind of messy because some of them I just kind of outlined, some of them I added a little bit of line work just so I can kind of play around and see what looks good. I also have a couple double daubers where I kind of just took one of my bars, loaded up some black, and just kind of did some topping to kind of go over the top of some of these. So that's something you can always do. Once it dries and you want to add a little bit more, I can always do silver on top and just keep on going and just, you know, play around. And also depending on the area that you put the dot, it can look completely different. So you can always have it centered or near the part of it, and just do another smaller one right in the center as well once that dries. So there's different layers that you can do. It's to make it look really, really cool. So you like these ones, I could probably do, I don't have a blue or a white, but I could do a black daub on top and do a red one on top of there, and just kind of have them back and forth. So you can do it doing it in different places, near the top or near the center, near the top. All depends on the design you want it to do. But that is for day 30. One more day and I will have this 30-day challenge complete, which is really, really, really awesome. Since I did 3 or 4 mandalas here, with the other one on this other side, I don't, like I'm saying, I'm really enjoying doing these. I'm gonna have to do some more and learn how to do them a little bit better. And it'd be nice for, like, these would be really cool for some like wooden coasters. I have a shop. I can very easily make some round coasters and stuff, and then you just paint them, do your mandala on them, and then put some either a clear coat on it, or you can flood it with a little bit of what's that plastic? Resin. You put some resin over the top of it as well. So there's all different types of Christmas ideas and ideas for gifts and everything that you can do, or just to decorate your own little house. If you have certain colors in certain houses, something easily that you can learn to do. And even when they're a little sloppy, they still look good. So tomorrow is day 31, and I will probably do a self-portrait. I have done one self-portrait before, but I'm hoping to spend a little bit more time on it. And then this one I might do kind of a mix of multiple things that I've done throughout this whole 30 days. Be it watercolor, be it mandala, might be a little bit of this, a little bit of that, or just kind of, I might do either a self-portrait or maybe one of my other cats. I might do Jinx on here with mandala around it or something like that. I don't know. I haven't decided, but either way, it should be really, really cool. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you, everybody who has joined me. I appreciate every single one of you who leaves a comment. So don't forget to do that like and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed this 30-day challenge, I have a playlist in there under challenges. You can go and check them out and see where I started and where I ended. I will see you next time. I love you all.